Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra versus Samsung Galaxy S25. When it comes to size, the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra boasts a stunning 6.67 inches, offering an immersive experience that pulls you into your favorite games and movies. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25 features a slightly smaller 6.2 inches, which still delivers a great viewing experience, but may feel a tad more compact for those who prefer portability. The Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra shines with its impressive triple-camera setup, headlined by a 50-megapixel wide lens that captures vibrant and detailed photos. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25 also features a 50-megapixel wide lens, but adds a 3x optical zoom capability, making it a powerhouse for photographers who love to get up close and personal with their subjects. In the performance arena, the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra takes the lead with a jaw-dropping Antutu score of 2,508,520, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience for gamers and multitaskers alike. The Samsung Galaxy S25, while still strong with a score of 293,701, may not match the raw power of its rival, but still delivers solid performance for everyday tasks. The resolution is where the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra truly excels, flaunting a sharp 1440 by 3200 pixels that guarantees stunning clarity and detail. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S25 offers a respectable 1880 by 2340 pixels, which is great for most users, but may not satisfy those who crave the absolute best in display quality. Under the hood, both devices are powered by the same cutting-edge Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring top-tier performance. However, the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra's CPU configuration includes a slightly higher clock speed, which could translate to marginally better performance in resource-heavy applications. Battery life is a crucial factor, and the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra doesn't disappoint with its robust 5300 mAh battery, promising extended usage without frequent recharges. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S25's 4000 mAh battery is adequate, but may require more frequent charging during heavy use. The Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra features an AMOLED display with a remarkable brightness of 3200 nits, ensuring visibility even in bright sunlight. The Samsung Galaxy S25's dynamic LTPO AMOLED 2X display, while also impressive with 2600 nits peak brightness, may not reach the same level of outdoor performance as its competitor. For selfies, the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra offers a powerful 32-megapixel front camera, perfect for capturing sharp and vibrant self-portraits. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S25's 12-megapixel selfie camera still provides good quality, but may not match the detail and clarity of its rival when it comes to close-ups. Both the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra and Samsung Galaxy S25 utilize the Qualcomm SM8750AB Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, ensuring they both deliver a high-performance experience. However, the Poco F7 Ultra's optimized configurations might give it a slight edge in demanding scenarios. The Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra offers generous storage options, starting at 256GB with 12GB RAM and going up to 512GB with 16GB RAM, catering to heavy users and multitaskers. The Samsung Galaxy S25, while still offering up to 500GB with 12GB RAM, has a lower entry-level option at 128GB, which may not be sufficient for all. When it comes to video recording, the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra stands out with 8K video capabilities at 24 FPS, allowing for stunning high-resolution footage. The Samsung Galaxy S25 also supports 8K recording, but at a slightly limited frame rate, making the Poco a better choice for aspiring videographers. Finally, in terms of pricing, the Xiaomi Poco F7 Ultra comes in at a competitive $750, making it an attractive option for those seeking high-end features without breaking the bank. The Samsung Galaxy S25, priced at $800, offers premium features but at a higher cost, which may give the Poco an edge for budget-conscious buyers. Samsung Galaxy S25.